move you over here. Is that better? I don't know, so just ignore the mess in the background. We're going to get to that. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just going to be a nice casual day in the life type of vlog. It's actually about 12:30. I'm really out of breath because I've been like rushing around to get ready because I wasn't going to film today. So I'm a little bit annoyed at myself because I could have filmed this morning, had a nice healthy breakfast. I'm starting my whole fitness journey. I say starting a fitness journey, I literally started it yesterday. Might not even make it to like the weekend, but we'll see. A 5k run just on the machine behind me. I don't actually go out in public and run. That's just not for me. But yeah, so I've done quite a lot this morning already. So a little bit annoyed that I couldn't bring you guys along for that, but we still have a lot to do today. I have lots of tidying to do. I've got cleaning to do today. We have a house inspection in a couple of weeks because I rent. Hello baby, you wanna come? So I have a house inspection in a couple of weeks because we rent, we don't own, and honestly I hate having inspections. Do you hate having inspections? So I need to just make sure that the house is nice and tidy and ready, and that sun, it's lovely but it's a nightmare for filming. But yeah, just make sure that the house is nice and ready. When Rob gets back from work, we're also going to be taking Mr. Max out, so I can bring you guys along for that as well. And I'm just going to pop you down. Also really hoping that during my quick spring speed clean, I'm going to find my bracelet because I don't know where I've put it, and I love that bracelet. I've only had it a couple of weeks. This is why I don't have jewellery. I think it was only from Primark, like it's not an expensive one, but still, like, where does all my jewellery go? I don't know. But yeah, without any further ado, let's whiz around the kitchen, get this tidy so we can move on to the front room and sort that one out as well. And yeah, let's just have a nice, productive day in the life. Okay, so now everything is tidy, and I say everything, like a few rooms, but I feel like I've just run out of time. I don't want to rush doing like the bathrooms and the bedroom and stuff when I can just do that tomorrow or the next day. Like, I am not putting pressure on myself anymore to get everything done in a day. Whatever doesn't get done today can be done at a different time. But I do want to try and redecorate this room, or not so much redecorate it, but just take some stuff away. Looking at this background, it just looks a little bit busy. I want it like a lot less. So I want to try and take some stuff away, and then hopefully we can still take Max out tonight. It did start raining a minute ago, but it has stopped now, but you never know. So yeah, looking outside, it's not looking promising, but fingers crossed, because I've been looking forward to going there all day. So yeah, hopefully we can still do that. Whilst we wait, I think we've got like 10-15 minutes until Rob gets home, and we can decide whether it's worth risking it going out or not. I'm going to quickly just declutter in here a little bit and then see if I can make it a little bit more calming, if that makes sense. I want this room to just be a really nice, calm place rather than a cluttered mess. I think this looks so much better. I obviously just like plain and simple because I know that it looks really bare, but I really like it like that. So I just moved the mirror out of the window to here. It really needs a clean, so just ignore that. And then I've just sort of put a little display over there, so the window just feels more open and airy. And then over here is a hot mess. I need to just take these bits downstairs. Not really sure what to do with these because they don't really go with the room, but I want my perfumes in here. So I think like the pink bowl and stuff can go in the bathroom, and I want to get like just a white marble tray for my perfume, and then it will sort of all tie in. I can still have my perfumes out without them being such a bold colour. But yes, I love this. I can't wait to get rid of that little stool. I'm actually thinking of having a chair. I didn't know whether to go for a bench originally, like over here, having a bench there, but I would actually really like to have like a chair and maybe a table. I don't know if that would be a little bit too cluttered, or like a bench there. I don't know, because I like the fact that I can get to the window. So maybe like a nice boucle cream chair situation there. Not really sure. There's still many things to do in this room until it's finished. I need to change out the lampshade and stuff, but it's a work in progress and I like how it is so far. So we made it to Worcester and it's actually freezing cold and raining, so not quite what I had in mind. I'm hoping to come back tomorrow before work, 'cause it's meant to be nice tomorrow, isn't it? I think. So we might come back in the morning. I am just going to carry this video on tomorrow because, like I said earlier, my battery died and I didn't get everything that I wanted to do anyway. So yeah, instead of a day in the life, it's just going to end up being like a weekend in the life, weekend vlog thing. You put me off so much.
I'm not doing it.
I feel like I'm being proper judged.
Not at all.
Honestly, just puts me off. But oh god, and there's people. Okay, so people just walked by, died a little bit inside. Can't vlog in public. I don't know how people do it. I'm getting a little bit better at doing it in front of Rob, but like when there's loads of people about, I get like weird stage fright. I just don't like it, but I need to get better because I'm definitely going to be vlogging our Greece trip, which is in September, which I can't wait to bring you guys along for. But yeah, so right now I think we're just going to finish off our walk in Worcester. Literally, Worcester Woods is Max's favourite place to be ever. He can just get all of his like zoomies out here. He absolutely loves it. So I think we're going to finish here, and then there's a jogger. Oh god. Okay, so I think we're going to do that, and then I'll just pick this vlog back up tomorrow because, like I said, battery died, didn't get half of the stuff that I wanted to get today. So I think I'm just going to end up doing like a weekend vlog type of thing. I've actually been in B&M for months, and their faux flowers are actually really pretty. I really like these ones. Oh, and they're nice as well. But yeah, I think it has actually been probably like not long after Christmas since I last been in here, so I thought I would come in and just have a nose around and see what they've got. And I've got quite a few nice bits in. I need some of those to take off my fake tan because it is looking very crusty at the minute. I like that. What is this? One of these. Very pretty. I like those as well. To be fair, I kind of like everything in this section. And then there's more like black neutral over that. I like that picture as well. £7. It's really not very likely at all, but I thought I'll come down like the furniture bit and see if they do any like boucle chairs, because I know they've got some in the range, so I thought I would just have a quick look and see if they had any in B&M, but yeah, it doesn't look like it. But I love those little egg chairs. I really want to get one of those. How much are they? 35. They're lovely. But yeah, I don't think they're going to do any boucle chairs. Worth a look though. Oh, I like that. I really like that actually. Might have to come back and get that. That's really pretty. Seeing all the luggages has literally luggage has literally got me ready for holiday. I'm so excited. We've actually got our hand luggage already arrived, so I'm just keeping an eye out now for like the big cases that we check. I'm pretty sure that is what I got off of Amazon, same price, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what I got off Amazon. And they do the big version as well, so I might come back and grab that. But yeah, I'm so excited. So this vlog has literally been all over the place, so if you have stuck around and watched it to this point, I think you might be a little bit crazy, but I love you for it, so thank you so much. So I am back with my Costa. I actually don't know if I filmed getting the Costa or not, I don't know, but I need my Costa. And I think I left you guys in B&M, and it had been so long since I went in there. They had so many nice bits. I only picked up the essentials today. I'm going to do like a little mini B&M haul, even though I didn't really get anything of interest, but I thought I would just show you anyway. I picked up these Flora springtime wipes, because you always need wipes and it's spring, so I'm really hoping that they smell springy. Let's give them a go. Oh yeah. Oh, they smell really nice. I really like those. I also picked up some just exfoliating gloves because my fake tan is looking really gross and crusty at the minute, so I needed some of these just to scrub it off and start again. What else did I get? I got some Jolene like cream bleach for my tash because it is growing thick and fast and I need to get rid of it, but I don't dare like wax it or shave it or anything because I don't want it to like come back spiky, so I just use the Jolene cream. I also picked up 2 monsters because I am working for the next few days, and yeah, this will be good to have at 3 in the morning when I can barely keep my eyes open. So I got 2 of those. I then picked up some mouthwash. What else did I get? Oh, and I also got some Nivea Rose Care face wash. I really like this one. It's the micellar face wash with organic rose water. It just kind of, can you hear Max at the door? Bless him. Rob's downstairs. I've not abandoned him, but I keep the door closed so I can get like an hour or so sleep before I go to work. But yeah, anyway, this face wash, it just makes my skin kind of dewy, glowy. It doesn't dry it out. So yeah, that is what I picked up. Nothing very interesting. I'm trying to stop myself from buying decor because I don't need any more. The garage is absolutely full, as Rob likes to remind me, so I think one day I am gonna have to go through it and actually see what we've got. I really need to get changed though. It is boiling hot and I am sat in a hoodie and it's like 18, 19 degrees outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my pajamas on. I think I've got about an hour's nap before getting up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video here. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for sticking with it. Even though none of us knew where it was actually going to end up going, I really hope that you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Using the red subscribe button down below, it's totally free and I would love for you to stick around and be part of my YouTube community, our little family that we're creating over here, and also leave today's video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys back here in my next one. Bye!